Has he got the Force with him?
Of course he's got the Force, there you go.
Hello and good morning from Disney's Hollywood Studios.
Welcome to day 2.
Day 2, yes.
It's absolutely empty at the moment where we are, in the Muppet Courtyard. Won't be for long.
No.
We've managed to procure a lightning lane for Rise for 3 o'clock this afternoon. So
it would have been earlier, but I paused it up. So we'll tell you about that later.
Yes, we'll do a debrief on that.
Yeah.
$30 for the privilege, which is, well, $15 each. Daylight robbery, let's face it, but Pete was desperate to get on it and wanted to guarantee that we were going to get on it. So you sucked it up and forked out. I don't think we'll be doing another lightning lane, to be honest.
No. So shortly, I'm going to be doing Savi's workshop.
Yes.
Building my lightsaber, so I'm looking forward to that. We got in early and it's nice and empty. There's lots of people walking towards the Rise line now to stand by.
Yeah.
And there's a squirrel.
Is there? Oh yeah. Oh, Mr. Squirrel. Oh,
And he's running away. So we'll catch up with you soon.
Yep. Going off-world.
Yep. There's a line for Rise already. But I guess in the morning it'll move quite quickly.
Yeah, you'd hope so.
Because they're filling up an empty ride. So we'll experience that later. Here we are, Batu. Hello, Batu.
Bright suns.
Yeah, Bright Suns, Batu.
Signals in parallel to host comms. Stop signal only for transmissions outside the parallel.
X-Wing. Woohoo! Can't even go in there.
So, Mr. B.
I have my power badge, so I'm building a power saber. And you know it's going to be red, don't you?
Yes.
Welcome to the workshop. Now I know that it can be a little it's a lot. That this all looks like a lot of old junk. But let me clarify something. Some of this is new junk. Let me explain. We humbly call ourselves the Gatherers. We search the galaxy for ancient gods in forgotten places, abandoned outposts, battle-ravaged planets. It's the spark of hope that we've been waiting for. And that's why you're all here, right? To look ahead towards the future? Well, and to preserve our past by building one of these, right? To build a lightsaber is truly an art. The saber is a reflection of its builder, but the Force flowing between them. The Kyber crystal, able to focus the energy of the Force, to magnify it. Some call the Kyber crystal the heart of a lightsaber, red. It has been called the color of power. This is the crystal of Darth Maul, Asajj Ventress, Darth Vader, and now Kylo Ren. Inside, from left to right, you'll find the chassis, grips, emitters, throttle caps, and activation plates. Building a lightsaber is a personal journey, and just as you have chosen your crystal, you will now select each part to make up your own unique lightsaber. And like them, you too could change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes a spark. Now builders, please deactivate and lower the lights. So builders, raise your lightsabers high into the air once more. And activate! Kill the spires! Kill the spire!
Well, someone's a happy bunny.
Got my power saber. It's not going to show up very well, but
It's not too bad. Yeah, don't hold it there, it looks weird.
yeah. Pleased with that. That was quite fun.
It was fun, wasn't it?
I've got to lug this around all day now.
Yes, and we came with the
Yeah.
pack. So if anyone was wondering, this isn't extra. The carry pack does come with it. Thank
Yeah.
goodness. You did have to pay extra if you wanted a sort of little display thing for the hilt.
Yeah. So I'm going to pop it in there now. So, I managed to secure a return time for Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. So I've just done my lightsaber, so we're on our way to there now.
And then next up is Ogas Canteen.
Yeah. With Bazza Max.
Themeparkbazza, some of you might know him
Yeah.
as. Yeah, I'll be ready for some food by then. I've had some cereal, but I need a bit more actually.
Yeah.
And then maybe some looking in some shops.
Yes, definitely. Ah, there we go.
Nothing can stop us now.
Oh, hiya, folks. Want to take a ride on the train? Excuse me, you there.
You talking to me?
Do you mind helping these good people into the cartoon while I fix this here Loki-Booty?
Come on, Slinky.
Here he comes.
Oh, look who we bumped into.
Some ne'er-do-wells.
Yeah, the locals. The locals. Where are we off to? Ogas. I always get the Ogas Cantina. So we're going to have some really expensive drink, aren't we, Pip?
Yes, we are. Will we let you go first?
Oh, yes. First time here? It's these folks' first time, so we'll let them go in first. We're local travellers. They're
You're vlogging.
Yeah.
You go first, then.
Right, so
Wow. Alright, well, since we are here, welcome to the second cantina in the galaxy, second best. Not the second one.
I mean,
Follow me right this way.
so we can put you guys back on the way to see you guys.
We do have some rules right here. So, just some basic ones. We got no staring, no fighting, no biting. I hope nobody likes biting because we don't like biting here. Just to make sure we don't have any blasters or Wookiees or pets on us.
Not today.
Not
No.
today.
Into the ambience.
Right here.
I can't hear anything in here. Oh,
Well, why didn't you tell him?
because we want to get in trouble.
Okay, there are no droids, there are no lightsabers, there are no blasters allowed in my cantina, okay?
that's a fishing rod, actually.
It's
Yeah.
a fish, okay.
Okay, yeah.
So you want a Jabba juice? I'm going to get a carbon freeze
Carbon freeze is good. I had that last time.
with my popping pearls or
Is it
balls.
smoking?
Yeah,
Yay!
and bubbles.
Okay, so a Jabba juice and a snacks.
You only got two choices. You got
Oh,
battery
fair
bar,
enough.
or and the bottom one.
Pepper sampler. That's better.
I've got jangly balls.
Stop stealing my lines.
It's lovely. It's very refreshing.
Is it?
This is non-alcoholic and it's a carbon freeze. What have you got?
Jabba juice.
Non-alcoholic.
Very nice. Flat lilt.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Max, what is non-alcoholic? Have you heard of that before? Oh, this is a non-alcoholic Jedi mind trick.
Wink.
Non-alcoholic Jedi mind trick.
And
I got a fuzzy tum-tum.
which makes your face numb.
Feel like, tingly.
Makes you feel like you're having a stroke, apparently.
Yeah, apparently.
Yeah.
So me and Bazza are going to ride with the aliens.
They're not making you wear masks on the ride.
Don't cross the streets. No. These two could natter for Britain, couldn't they? What do we do with this? It's alright. Pip's got Joffreys. We've all got Joffreys.
Yes, we have.
Baz has got Joffrey.
got
Max
Joffrey.
got Joffrey.
It's a Joffrey stop.
Donut time.
Yep.
Oh, how I've missed you.
Oh, I've missed them too. Joffreys, can you please open in England, please?
Very good. Oh.
Or maybe not, because we'll be eating these every day. Do we like?
No calories.
No, they're calorie-free
0
ones.
calories.
Did you not know?
It's a very good Pippa.
Carb-free, fat-free, calorie-free.
It's a very good recommendation.
Take all the calories out of the blue one and put them in the white one.
Do they though?
It's a line of donut eating. Right, let's synchronise. 3, 2, 1. Gotta be done. Cheers. So we're finally doing Rise.
Yes. Oh, don't fall over.
This is the lightning lane, so we're not doing the standby. Oops. He's hit the deck. We're excited for this.
It's been a day of Star Wars.
Yeah. Oh, we're going inside. Got a mask up.
Incoming transmission from Ray. BB-8, is everyone assembled? Good. Should you need me in flight prep? Recruits, thank you for joining the calls. The covert resistance team, led by my friend Finn, has infiltrated a First Order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system. Your outpost on Batu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Pakara.
Initiate pre-flight sequence on Deck 3 for Pakara. Must be on board now. Transport is away in 30 seconds. Good. No pueden entrar en iPad Drive. iPad Drive ni llegar ni dar la review. Good. Airspeed sensor. Review. Red 2 check.
Blue 5 standing by.
Runaway system scan ready.
Affirmative. Are you spotting anything?
Yeah, I see it. We'll check it out. BB-8, what do you got?
There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way. Raise the shields.
We got company. First Order TIE fighters. Reroute. Right to your blue 5. We got a gear path so transport can make the jump.
This is TR-141. We are a civilian vessel. By whose authority are we being detained?
By the authority of the First Order, resistance scum. Now bring down your shields and prepare to be boarded.
How many in your unit? You'll be on blue. You wait here. How many in your unit? 4, you'll be on red. How many?
Okay, come forward.
Blue, red, silver, orange. We have made this as easy as we can. I expect you're all able to remember a single color. Although with the resistance I have my doubts. So I'll be calling you into the cell by color, where you'll stand towards the center of the cell, away from my walls. You'll also be removing any bags or cargo you're wearing and holding them in your hands. This will ensure an expedited interrogation, for which you'll be thanking me for later. The information we desire is the location of the secret resistance base, the one that transport ship was taking you to. Does anyone have any information they would like to divulge before we get started?
No.
No, not even you. Documenting your entire capture?
Yes.
Surely you documented the resistance briefing as well.
No. Ran out of battery.
Access that data pad and find out for ourselves now, won't we?
No.
Alright, blue and red, into the cell. Remove your
Pip.
bags and cargo at this time. Silver
Said
and
red.
orange follow. Yes, you have the blue part of blue.
I forgot the colour. Where are we going?
Here. Just standing and doing as we're told.
Prisoners are secure.
Leave us.
Yes, General.
Enemies of the First Order. We will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The Resistance prisoners.
You have what I want.
My hero.
You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
They are needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
Blue, red, on your left.
Ho's coming back with an attack force. Get to the escape pods now. Lieutenant Beck, we need to find him a way.
He's gonna get you off the ship, get you back to safety, okay? Back in the line, it'll be rough. Good luck.
Okay, take this corridor to the triple lift, then head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batu. Hurry and don't get caught.
So we just got off Rise.
Wowzers.
Unbelievable.
It's enormous. The hangar that must be built in is
phenomenal.
Crazy.
But hands off to Disney for that.
I think
That's amazing.
although you have to get a lightning lane if you want to guarantee getting on it without too much of a wait, it's definitely one you'd need to ride several times to see all the details in it.
As you see in the vlog, it's fantastic. So. Barry's pan.
Oh, it's weird seeing it, because I've seen it on the screen.
Yeah.
At home for so long.
Yeah.
I can't decide, was it smaller than I thought or bigger than I thought? Can't decide. I'll process it in a minute. Oh, but this is bigger than it looks on the screen, for sure. Gosh, this is enormous.
Oh yeah, it does look bigger.
Yeah, this definitely.
Just the two of us.
It's not as big as our hotel room, but...
Yeah, nothing's as big as your shower.
Yeah.
Shower for 6 anyway.
Oh, you got your screening up and everything. Great.
This was just sort of like the bare concrete before, wasn't it?
Yeah, we put this up. Well, we got
You got rid of the tree stump.
Yeah, got rid of the trees.
If you look in there, Pippa, that's the second guest room.
Oh, okay. What? The actual? Did you know about this? Now I need 3 new names.
No, they're the ones that we... on eBay.
How? What?
The 3 that were on eBay that I said, oh, they've gone. Oh, what a shame.
Oscar winning.
Yeah, that's why
I was
You're the manatee whisperer.
conspiring with the lovely Max.
Yeah, hang on, this is Metaxa. I can't remember who the other 3 were.
Oh, that's poor, isn't it? That's really
Oh,
good.
like you're going to be able to remember.
I never remember.
Exactly.
They're yours.
There you go.
They're yours.
2 have tags on, 1 doesn't. So.
See, now they all need names.
Happy birthday, man.
Oh, thank you. Seems ages ago now, last Sunday. Right, I'm just going to have a little nap now.
I think we must have about 40 now, haven't
Yeah,
we?
we do. We have that amount.
We've got all of them, probably.
I think you've got them all in the world.
Yeah.
I do consider us the Manatee Rescue Centre.
Yeah.
So they don't get chewed by dogs or children or...
Been several months of planning going on there with us.
So,
now I don't trust you two. When he's on his phone of an evening, I'll be like...
It's all good things.
I'm so pleased that we've got so much luggage space.
Well, at least they do
Squash flat.
squish, don't they?
Pete was like, take them out the bag when they come, let them breathe.
Yeah.
Right, well, you can go to Target now. I'm going to have this little snuggle in the car with the manatees. Okay. No, thank you,
You're in
Mother.
shock at the moment. You'll remember their names once you think
How
about
many
it.
we now have with us just here at the moment? 9.
I saw some on your bed, but I didn't know.
Yeah.
We brought 3 with us because we have to travel with our friends, and then Sharon had procured 3 for us as well.
But
that
over
we
the
knew
past
about,
2 years.
and 3 that I did not know about.
Sleeping in our second guest room.
I said, well, we're living in the lap of luxury, haven't they?
Yeah.
Shopping.
Target.
Target.
Target, yeah. Sounds posher that way, doesn't it?
Totally.
Bazza's gonna skint me now with.
You need a t-shirt.
Yes.
That's cool.
It's very cool. They've got white and they got it in grey
Much
as
cheaper
well.
than Disney.
Oh, look, they got the.
Minifigs on there. Maybe not XXXXL. I know.
Not for another 2 weeks on your holiday.
It's got a medium.
There's a medium. The medium is enormous.
Yeah, that's cool. Going in. Lego
wow.
pajamas. Lego pajamas. And they're green.
We can have red for Christmas.
Oh my god.
Go for Pippa.
It's definitely a hidden Mickey.
I'm hidden Mickey.
Absolutely. Got.
Don't you?
Got.
It's too much, he knows what he's got.
Oh, Pippa's in Pop-Tart heaven there. What you got? Lemon creme pie.
Different.
Here we go. A wall of coffee. Of course, America runs on Dunkin'. But have they got mellow birds?
Is that Taster's choice? Is it mellow bird? No, it's Nescafe. Mellow birds will make you smile.
We've got a basket full of stuff, and there's my feet. And there's Pippa.
Coffee
Got a good
has
rummage
been
around.
procured.
Yes. Super target. And there's Mickey.
Is it going on again?
They're on.
There they are.
You've been
They've
very,
been our
very,
chauffeurs
been
today,
very,
haven't
very
they?
kind to us today.
Yeah, very good.
Yeah, that's $84.
Okay, I'll just go and...
Yeah. Bye.
No, we've had fun on a very lovely day.
Yes, weather's been beautiful.
Check out
And
Themeparkbazza.
Mrs. Bazza.
We
And
will
Mrs.
leave
Bazza.
links in descriptions.
Yes, we shall.
Yep.
And we'll see thee later.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.